This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for September 22nd, 2023. It's currently July 17th, 2023, 6:16 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file for the September 22nd reading was created on July 7th, 2023 at 2:35 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So the overall theme and behavior, another nullified theme card. These are pretty difficult to read, guys, but I think we probably have an overall down day. It's a tough day to read because we've got a high correlator here at the end of the day. We have a ruin that's kind of like toppy, but my sense is that it's probably a down day. A bit of a mixed day, but a down day, and this is just a crest, like a prominent crest that stands out, not necessarily a high. That's my sense, and that's because we've got the indolence card here. And it's a cross-reading congruency we have here as well. It's possible that there's a day's high here, but I think it's probably just like a prominent peak with a day's high here. If I'm wrong, though, then the low would be all the way here first thing in the morning. I'm advised to trade around 3 crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level. Matter of fact, I'm not really advised to trade because it's nullified, but that would be the trade card. Behavior around the high side, there's a pop and drop to reach the high, and the behavior around the low also nullified, making this a very difficult day to read overall direction. I think we probably, I thought we probably opened higher based on this wealth card. But if we don't open higher, then we might open like steeply lower, and then there's a big move to the upside out of the open to reach for key resistance. Either way, we open higher and there's a drop and then a big move, or we open lower and there's a big move to the upside. So it could be open higher and a drop followed by a big move higher out of the open, or we open lower and there's a big move higher out of the open. Alright, so either way, we're going to revisit a support level that we recently met there in the pre-market or first thing at the open. A big move to the upside, unexpected move to the upside, reaching for a distant resistance, and it'll be a key resistance that stands out on a multi-day scale. A lot of price change to reach it. You could position yourself probably around this price change in both directions, but I would probably position myself in both directions around this Ace of Swords. With the long position, probably I'd want to do it before a big move into the Ace of Swords. If I missed that big move into the Ace of Swords, I wouldn't do the long position. I would just open up a short position at that key resistance. It's a brief peak that's easily missed, followed by a decline through multiple support levels, somewhere between 11 and 12. Decline continues with like a near overbought crest or peak that we sell off from through multiple support levels between 12 and 1. Decline continues further between 1 and 2, probably even a gap down there. And then we have a decline through multiple support levels here into the 2 to 3 o'clock hour, where there's like this unexpected and big move to the upside to a peak or crest around 3 o'clock. It'll be a really prominent move to the upside out of a decline there. And so if I'm wrong and there's the highest high there, I would for the day, I would close the long position there. If it's not a highest high for the day, it's just a high, and it's not like a real big profit or anything, then I would say you might want to hold it and just hold that short position for kind of like a multi-day kind of thing going on. It's going to be like back and forth mix, but I think you probably have an opportunity to close a short position in the morning here. But I would say make sure to get on our live sessions that we have between 3 and 4 o'clock Eastern time every day, every trading day. Make sure to get on around the 21st, 22nd to see for any clarity, because it's a little unclear now, but closer to that time frame, it's probably going to get a lot clearer if we should be opening up a short position at this resistance or not. In any case, in the last hour, we have this prominent move higher, and then this like retracement of that move back down in the last hour. It's like a U-shaped dip right around the close, and I think we probably open lower on Monday morning. That's the S&P 500 for September 22nd, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. If you're interested in getting this information sooner, go to our website, Tarot for Traders. It's a great way to support the channel. Our services, eso-meta posts. Click here to subscribe to early access, 29 bucks a month, $249 for the year. Gets you early access to all the posts that come out here on YouTube. Gives you plenty of time to plan your trades accordingly. And it's a great way to support the channel. But most importantly, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You do so here at the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders. 5% of the profits forward to one of these charities. 5% of the profits back to the channel. Thank you very much. Make sure to spend that money out of love. And the universe will reward all of our angel investors following the rule of karma with tenfold back through this channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.